Well, good afternoon, everybody. We're back out here on the farm. Combine rocking and rolling, doing beans. I got this semi, a little over half full. Our other one's coming now. Just got going a little bit ago. We can catch up to the combine here. We'll get some footage for you. So we got a debate going what year this combine is. We got it brand new. I say it's a 16, which photos actually show we had it in 15. And Grandpa says it's 2012. So we got a debate going. Apologize for the dirty windows. But yeah, pretty good old machine. Can't really complain. Sure gets the job done. I do really like that thing. We had a R50, sorry, yeah, R65 before, and then I think it was R62, and then I don't remember the rest of them. But I see they came out with the T-Series gleaner, which I don't think we'll ever see one of those. It's kind of out of the realm. But this one's got a lot of life left in there. We don't do a whole lot of acres every year, so about 20 years on this combine could probably add up to about 1 year on some of them. It's crazy how much some of these farmers got nowadays, but we just keep plugging away. I'm currently in Steiger 335 or 325. I can't even remember right now, top of my head without looking. I want to say it's a 16 as well, but don't quote me. I've been off on my numbers, I guess. So then we got a Parker 739. We got that new. Been quite a few years now. We're looking possibly to get a bigger one, but honestly it does about perfect for us. We got 2 semis, and yeah, the only complaint is it's a little small to completely top off the semis. So usually we got just a little bit more than what this will hold. I damn near had a full load, and I had just over half of that semi full. So otherwise, it seems like these are yielding pretty good compared to yesterday. Yesterday we did dang near 2/3 of a field and only filled 2 semis, so right now it's looking pretty good. We're just really starting to get into it. Opened it up a little bit ago, and Grandpa knocked off the end rows when I got here on the south end, and I've gone 2 dumps already from him, so not too bad. But sure been really content with this bean head. I know we mentioned that yesterday, that we wouldn't mind seeing something different on the front of that thing, but aerial and all that seems to help out and works out pretty good. But yeah, we're just getting opened up here. We got quite a bit over there yet. These are about half-mile rows, so it's pretty slow going for me. Basically just sit and wait. I usually fly up at the end, sit on my phone for a while, check out the whole marketplace, mess around for a while until Grandpa shows up. But we're gonna veer off here and park. I got the dog with me today as my co-pilot. Figured she could come along and hang out instead of being locked up. So, but yeah, we got 2 international semi-tractors. Don't quote me on years or what they are. I just know there's a single axle and double axle. Got the one a few years ago. You can see down there, kinda. The maroon one's our original one, then we got that white one. So, but here's the good old S67. I would tell you how fast he's going, but the speedometer in this thing don't work, so no idea. It just says I'm going 0.0 mile per hour. I know 4th gear in this thing, about a little over idle, is what keeps me up with him. So I'll have to set you guys down here shortly. I don't have a way to hold the phone, and I've yet to plug in the GoPros, so looks like he's gonna cut down on the rest of the inrows over here. Currently on the front of that combine's a 30-foot head, so a little over half of what I got on my M2. From what I gathered and the dislikes of this combine, Grandpa wishes you had the turret auger on it instead of the classic gleaner auger that swings up, angles out. He doesn't like that it can't dump straight down into what we're filling, so he's got to get so far away from it, and then the chopper on it's so small. So be curious to see if those new combines got a bigger chopper or what they have. I haven't really looked into it. For a silver-sided pheasant feeder, she does a good job. I know these things get a bad rap, and I don't really know why. They're easy to work on, really simple, nothing to them. The dealerships are local, within 15 minutes of us, so if something's wrong, they come out here, we go there. Easy. Can't complain about nothing. We did, though, start getting rid of our orange tractors, started going a little more red and blue. Just for the simple fact that parts are hard to find. And we have pretty good luck with these other machines, and figured it's time to start updating a little bit and keep up with what's going on, because of course, like any other thing, they make it hard for you to keep anything old and going. We had a bunch of 8050s and a couple other older Alice's and some Acos, and yeah, it was time to departure from those and look into something different. So, especially when we got a New Holland dealer and a Case dealer are both within 15 minutes of us, and they're always a phone call away, and it's really easy to get with them if something's ever wrong. So sure do enjoy seeing this gleaner out working. Best time of the year, I'd say. And the good old sign of the auger coming out. Well, guys, I'll put you down here and go on the go quick, and we'll get back in a little while. Well, guys, we got the other semi full ready to roll. The old man's gone already. Co-op closes at 5:30, so getting that done. We're gonna start dumping further up here. You could actually darn near, before we get in these long rows, make it the whole way, which isn't a good thing, but oh well. So we started going on this side. I think we're gonna stay over here until we get this side done. Definitely raising some good dust. So gonna keep plugging away and go from there. go here again, so I'll let you guys go. Probably wrap that up for a video. We're just gonna keep making some rounds. Footage of the old gleaner rocking and rolling. After a while, it gets a little boring, so we'll catch you guys in another video.